If you are a content creator, then I am sure you know how important it is sometimes to upscale images to make them perfect and remove backgrounds from images for different types of content creation needs. As a faceless content creator myself, I upscale all my images and remove image backgrounds for thumbnails, videos, and whatnot. And I am sure you do it too. Take a look at these images. I was able to remove the background of the images, and not only that, but I was also able to change the background as I saw fit. Isn't this awesome? The quality of the images after removing the background is also very good, especially for the edges, as you can see from the comparison of the two images. I mostly remove backgrounds from images for thumbnails, and sometimes I also change the backgrounds depending on the content I am creating. Now there are multiple tools out there that allow you to remove backgrounds, but let me tell you guys, none of them are good. If you use the free versions, you can't even download the image in high quality after removing the background. And most importantly, there is no option to change the background as you see fit. But no need to worry, because in today's video I will show you an awesome free tool through which you can remove backgrounds like a pro, change backgrounds, do image matting, image upscaling, and so much more, all using AI. And here's the best part, they are currently doing a giveaway where you can get a 1-year license to this tool for absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right, 1 year for free. I will tell you everything about this tool, so make sure you pay very close attention and watch till the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called AIRT. I have been using this tool for a while, and let me tell you guys, it is just awesome. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and it will take you to the download page. Yes, it is software that you need to download, so you can expect some awesome results with this. After downloading, install it, and once everything is done, you will see an interface like this. Now, this is where all the magic happens. As you can see, it has a pretty simple and straightforward interface. Now let's try to remove the background of an image. You can upload the image from this section. I have uploaded this image I generated using Google Imagen 3. Next, from here, you can just keep it at CPU. And for the AI model, you can see it has 4 different models. Now, for images with semi-transparent parts, use this model to optimize edge details for a natural blend with the background. If you want to focus on edge sharpness, use Alpha Edge instead. It prioritizes edge sharpness, giving you clear edges. If you want precise matting that prioritizes edge sharpness with details, use Edge Clear. And for solid objects featuring complex structures, use this model for precise matting and detail preservation. I will go with the default one, but you can choose a suitable one based on your image. Next, in the edit section, you can upscale the image, which I will show you in a bit. Next, in the area select section, you can specify the subjects that you want to keep. So if I click on start, it will automatically analyze the image and show the subjects that this image has. As you can see from here, it has separated the subject into different parts like face, body, and clothing. So if you select only the face, then the AI will only keep the face and remove everything else. Now this feature is very useful when you have more than one subject in the image, and you can also select the subject manually from here. So for example, I will select this and this. Now if I click on start, then the AI will keep these 2 subjects and remove the rest of the background. Isn't this awesome? It gives you a lot of freedom that no other background removing tool can give you. For now, I will remove all of them. Next, in the refinement section, you can select any of these options if you want. I will select this one and click on start, and the AI will start processing the image. It will take a few seconds to get done, and here is the output. As you can see, it was able to remove the background easily, and it looks awesome. Here is a before and after comparison. As you can see, it has removed the background perfectly. Even the hairs look awesome without any weird distortion. Isn't this awesome? Now from here, you can add some effects. If you want to add a new background, you can do that from here. Once you click on it, you can either select a color from here or upload your own image. I will upload this image of Atlantis I generated earlier and adjust the size of this to match the background. And just like that, she is now the queen of Atlantis. Now let's make this even better. First, click on this feather option, and then you can adjust the settings from here. This will make the edges even smoother to blend in with the background nicely. You can adjust it according to your liking. Next, you can also add a blur effect like this, and from here, you can adjust the intensity of the blur. I will keep it at this. Next, this one is my favorite effect. As you can see, it makes the background black and white while the subject is in color, giving this awesome effect. And you can also add the pixelation effect if you want, but I will just keep it like this. And finally, my image is ready to be exported. To export, I will click on this export button and it will be exported. Now here is the best part. Once it is done exporting, you can see that it has exported every single effect individually, giving you a lot of freedom to edit and adjust everything. This is just awesome, and I can guarantee you will not find features like this in any other background removing tool. Here is the thumbnail of the video I created using this tool. After exporting, I did a little bit of editing and added the text, and as you can see, it looks awesome. Now you can also use this tool to create awesome thumbnails like this. And now let me show you how you can upscale any image easily with this. First, upload the image here. Next, go to edit, and then you need to select a model to upscale. As you can see, it has 3 different models. I will choose this one. Next, you need to select how much upscaling you want. I will choose 2x and click on enhance and wait for a few seconds. And here is the output. As you can see, it has upscaled the image nicely. Here is a before and after. As you can see, the image is sharper and clearer after upscaling. I am telling you guys, you can use this tool to create awesome content and images for absolutely free, and you just saw how amazing the results were. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description and get your 1-year free access to this amazing tool before the offer ends. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.